Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. I'm quite impressed with MATIC's fight here. If we compare it to Bitcoin, Ethereum and other cryptos which are trending down. I mean, as you can see, MATIC is trending down as well. But here over the weekend, basically, sideways movement or even price went even up a little bit. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with it. This may ultimately turn into quite a large wave 4 before it comes down once more in 5. But the fact is here, it doesn't trend down as much as, for example, Bitcoin and Ethereum, so it's quite noteworthy. This could already be a breakout scenario. We talked about that, in that we count this as a wave 1, this is wave 2, we are now in the 3. But again, this is not high confidence. I will only consider that more closely if we really make it above that wave 4 high, as it's labeled at the moment, around 70.5 cents. If we zoom out, we can see that there are still two possibilities here for MATIC. The first one is that we had here, as indicated, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves as complete. This was wave 1 and we're now coming down ABC in wave 2. The wave 2 can go down as much as 47 cents. So I primarily expect here one more dip. Doesn't need to go down that much, and we also hit the target area, so it doesn't actually need to go down at all because we already reached that 50% fib level, which was the beginning of my green target area at around 70 cents. So that's something to consider, but the entire pattern that is coming down here in the wave C from the high at around 94 cents all the way down to those 70 cents, that pattern would just look much better with one more dip. The other pattern, or the other possibility that we have on this chart, is that this was a 1, this was a 2, all of this was just the 3, and this is the 4, and there will still be one more 5. If that is the case, then the price should not drop below 65 cents. So also here we could come down once more, but we must not go below 65 cents, and then we would fight for a wave 5 to the upside to complete this wave 1, which would then sit up here, and only after that we would come down in this wave 2, which would then be somewhere there. Okay, so this is highly interesting, important to understand the difference between those two options, because it limits MATIC's upside potential in the next wave up if this is only a wave 4, because it means there will be only one leg up to the upside, before we come down in a wave 2 once more. Okay, so one more leg up then, and a strong retracement. Now we don't know at this stage which of these patterns it is. So, however, what we know is that MATIC should shortly, ideally after one more dip, move into a rather substantial move to the upside again. Okay, so for me at the moment, it's noteworthy that obviously MATIC does not retrace or slide down as much as other cryptos. It's holding quite well. This to the upside could already be part of that breakout pattern, but again, until we go above the 79.5 cent level, for me it is still more likely to come down in one more dip, and maybe today, tomorrow we will know a little bit more. Ideally we want to get below the previous swing low here at 69 cents, and how much we are coming down will then tell us if we are in a wave 4 or a wave 2. So it would provide more clarity if we indeed came down below the 65 cent level, because if we don't know when the price comes only to, let's say, 65 and then moves up, it could basically still be a wave 2 or a wave 4, which will end somewhere here. So we don't know it, okay? More clarity would be obtained if we really drop below that 65 cent level. So at the moment, again, what we're doing here at the moment could either be that the wave 4 topped here at 79.5 cents already. That was on the 27th of September, and we're now in a 1-2 pattern, which would eventually come down. this will become invalidated above 79 cents. It could also be, if we go a little bit higher, just a little bit, this could morph into a wave 4 with maybe a wave A, B, and then the C now to the upside. And this wave 4 should ideally not, again, move above the 79 cent level, the previous high. You can see how the wicks are all constrained. No, the candle bodies are all constrained and held back by the 50% fib level. A wick above it is not a problem, and if we have a wick above that previous one, then I would say I move the wave 4 across. But if we don't get that, it's probably just a 1-2 and we will come down once more. So that's my update about MATIC. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.